Want to start following creators you like on TikTok, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to follow and unfollow creators on the TikTok app. Now let's get started. There are two different ways you can follow other users on TikTok. If you find someone on your For You page whose content you enjoy and you want to follow them, you can tap the plus sign at the bottom of their profile icon on the right to follow them. The other way to follow someone is on their profile page. If you know a specific user you want to follow, tap the magnifying glass to search for them and type in their name at the top. Tap their name to open their profile. Then tap Follow. To unfollow someone on TikTok, go to their profile and tap the following icon. You will then unfollow them and you'll see the follow button reappear. You can go back and follow someone again at any time if you change your mind later on. That's all it takes to follow and unfollow other people on TikTok. For more helpful TikTok tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of TikTok tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.